Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about recursion, part of data structures using C++ course. Recursion is a technique in computer programming where a function calls itself to solve a problem. In other words, a recursive function is a function that is defined in terms of itself. The key idea behind recursion is to break a complex problem down into smaller, more manageable subproblems that are easier to solve. Each subproblem is solved using a recursive call to the same function. When the subproblems becomes small enough, the function can be solved without further recursion. Here is a simple example of recursive function in C++ that calculates the factorial of a given number. In this example, the factorial function calculates the factorial of a given number by multiplying the number by the factorial of the next lower number. The function makes a recursive call to itself until the number reaches 0. At which point it returns 1, the base case. The result of each recursive call is then multiplied by the number, building up the final result. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.